Welcome back to our channel, guys. Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to talk about an Image Comics titled Witches. So Witches over here is written by Scott Snyder, who is definitely one of the best comic book story writers of the recent times. The artwork is done by Jock and the colors are done by Hollingsworth. So guys, the plot. The story revolves around the Rooks family, and the protagonist of the story is their teenage daughter, Sailor Rooks. So now the father, Mr. Rooks, is going through some midlife crisis issues, and midlife crisis means he is having some trouble with his job and works. And the daughter Sailor, she have had some terrible nightmarish experiences in the recent past. So the family, they decide to move to a new place and give their life a fresh new beginning, a new start. But the curses are still following them, and so are the witches. Now you must have already noticed that there is a little letter play over here. Instead of I, there is an Y in witches. That's because the witches in this book, they are nothing like the ones that you know of, the ones that fly on broomsticks and cast spells. The witches in this book, they are an abomination. They are hideous looking creatures. I think I should read a panel for you guys to understand. It says that the witches, these are not people, not the green skinned ladies or devil worshippers. None of that. Their evolution gone wrong, mutation from thousands of years ago. May be formed apart from us in the ground, but lay eyes on one, and you will see they are not us. They are above us, on the food chain. So yeah, those lines right there, I think those are enough to get you interested into reading this book. I mean, Scott Snyder has done a brilliant job with the storytelling. I think he has just nailed it. In terms of artwork, Jock is not that big of a disappointment. I don't like his art style personally, but it goes well, as you can see. It's not that disappointing. It works fine with the storytelling. Like, yeah, it flows well with the story. So no complaints right there too. But the colors, my God, Hollingsworth, you are not worth a dime. No disrespect intended, but it looks like Hollingsworth, he ate a rainbow, a solid rainbow, and then he had an explosive diarrhea, and he shat on each and every page he could. I think I should give you guys a better look inside. That would help you to understand what I'm talking about. Let's get started, shall we? So in the first few pages, the colors, they seem just nice. It goes well with the story, the artwork, everything is fine. But as we proceed, it starts getting a bit out of hand. Like, look over here, this pattern, this was not necessary. My God, Hollingsworth, it ruins the reading experience. Personally, for me, it ruined my reading experience, at least. Let me show you some more pages. Yeah, here, take a look at this page. Take a look carefully. Was this pattern really needed? I don't think it was. Like, I would have given this book a 5 out of 5, but just for this terrible, disgusting colors, I don't think I can do that anymore. And it was an experiment, they say. A bad experiment with bad results, I must say. Yeah, so this is the skull of the witch with 2-3 eyes, alien looking creature. And yeah, these are the hideous witches we are talking about. So this is what they look like. Now let's take a look at the extras without ruining or giving any spoilers. Yeah, so look at the inking, how good it looks, and look at the colors. And they have an explanation for that too. So this is the ink, this is the first layer of coloring, this is the second layer of coloring, this is the coloring with the first spatter, and this is the hideous thing that they call hero spatter. And when the hero spatter is superimposed on this, the result is this. And in my opinion, it looks stupid, it looks bad, and it puts you off. I don't know how the editor got turned on and gave this a pass, but this is definitely a no-no from me. Like, the colors alone was so disturbing. I have no words for it. So yeah, as for extras, we have more character sketches, some more inked pages, and an epilogue. As I was saying, see, the colors without the spatter, they look amazing. They just look fantastic. So why couldn't they do this with the whole book? I don't know. I think the experiment went a bit too far. So anyway, guys, with that being said, so now it's time to read the book. The story itself is mind-boggling. I mean, the plot twists alone are worth the read. So kudos to Scott Snyder. The art by Jock is not that bad either. and I'll not utter a single word about the colors. So overall, this book deserves a 4 out of 5. And by now you sure as hell know why it's not a 5 out of 5. So I think this is something that you should buy. You can definitely give it a try. It's one of Scott Snyder's best works. So with that being said, guys, I will wrap up the video here. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section what are your views on this and on the channel as a whole. So guys, see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.